Good morning, guys. Today is Friday, of course. But yesterday, uh, we early stopped for driving because there is a road closed somewhere in Shasta National Forest, or Shasta, California, which the mountain over there. There is a snow until it's in Oregon, I think. Ashland area, there is a snow too. So it's a heavy snow all day long yesterday. So remember, I post a short video in my channel watching the California map or California road condition. So it says there is most of the highways, or like our route I-5 or Interstate 5 is closed due to snowstorm, or like snow carry. We need to carry tar chain, or yeah, that one, or like, kadena sa ligid. So we stop early here before the sign that there is a road close. That's only the closest truck stop that we need to stop. So today morning, we need to roll again, continue our work, because supposedly, I think tomorrow is the delivery. Today is the delivery, but I think we can't reach that delivery today because I think it's like 600 miles driving. 600, yeah, 603 miles driving today, because our load delivered in Lacey, Washington. So I think 600. So we drive 11.15 hours driving today. So we will see. Maybe
I can only drive a maximum of 11.
Yeah, my husband, he can drive maximum of 11. So maybe we stop closer to the customer. Yeah, we stop closer to the customer. So probably tomorrow is the delivery. He already called the customer or the broker that he can deliver tomorrow, I think. Yeah, that one. Because if the road is not closed yesterday, probably we're in the middle of Oregon somewhere, so yeah, that's our update for today. So we'll see. I will take some video for the road that we passing by later. If what's the condition, it's fine if the road is in the the snow is side of the road. It's fine, because yesterday we hit taking care of the like tire chain. It's very, very hard. Yeah, my husband knows how to, because we tried that one before in somewhere in Oregon, but it's tired, and then the traffic is stop and go. So I think 1 minute per truck, and then they screen it. California transportations, like, they screen the truck if they carry chain, or they put chain in the tire. So stop and go, so it's delayed.
It's like a Filipino checkpoint.
Yeah, it's Filipino checkpoint. They need to check under your truck, blah blah blah, if you use it or they carry it, you know. So that's it, guys. So see you later in the road. Stickers, no. Tick, tick, tick. So this is the post of close road yesterday because of this kind of snow. This is it, guys. Stay on the snow. Just stop and go, stop and go. Then make tire change.
Like something there.